Welcome back to the Money Start channel. Here, we make personal finance simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Let's jump straight into habit number 1. This is the foundation of everything. Most people don't have a money problem. They have an awareness problem. When you start tracking your spending, even for just 1 week, you immediately see where your money is leaking. You can use your phone's Notes app, a simple spreadsheet, or free apps like Spending Tracker or Money Manager. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is clarity, because you can't fix what you can't see. This habit is powerful. Before you pay bills, before you buy food, before you spend on anything, save a small percentage for yourself. It can be 5%. It can be 10%. It can even be $1 a day. The amount doesn't matter. The habit does. Paying yourself first builds discipline. It teaches your brain that saving is a priority, not an afterthought. This single habit can change your entire financial future. Impulse buying is the silent killer of many budgets. Here's a rule that works. If you didn't plan to buy it, don't buy it today. Pause for 24 hours. This small delay prevents emotional spending and turns a quick temptation into a conscious choice. And most of the time, the desire disappears. This one habit alone can save you hundreds of dollars every month. Your finances improve when you give them direction. Set small weekly goals like save $10, track every expense, only buy essentials, no delivery food for 1 week. These goals are small enough to stick to, yet powerful enough to build momentum. Money success is not about one big change. It's about consistent small wins. Financial knowledge doesn't grow by accident, and you don't need to study for hours. 5 minutes is enough. Watch a short video, read a quick article, learn one new concept about budgeting, debt, or investing. Over 1 month, that's 150 minutes. Over 1 year, that's 1,800 minutes. That's how you quietly build financial confidence. These 5 habits look simple, but simple habits create real change. Start with 1, add another next week, and watch how your financial life begins to shift. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly money lessons. Your journey to better finances starts today.